Hello friends, today we discuss topic blood relation. In this topic, questions were asked on the basis of the various relations. For this topic, we use some notations. Let's see what are the notations. Here we use plus sign for male and minus sign for female. This topic runs total on the basis of generations. Suppose here if statement is A is father of B. A is father of B means A is father, that means gender of A is clear, male. A is father of B. Now gender of B is not clear with the help of this statement. B is either son or daughter of A. But the one generation gap denoted by one downward arrow. If statement is A is grandfather, A is grandfather of B. So relation of grandfather is shown by double generation. A is grandfather of B means B is the son or daughter of A's son. A is the grandfather of B. So there is the double generation gap which is denoted by double downward arrow. Next, A is sister of B. A is sister of B. Brother sisters relation is denoted by single horizontal arrow. A is sister of B means A is female and B is either brother of or sister. Now last, A is husband. A is husband of B. For husband wife relation we can use double arrow. A is husband of B means A is male and B is female surely. Now husband wife relation will denote by the double arrow. So these are some notations which are used according to the situation. In this topic there are total 3 types of questions. In type number 1 questions is come under direct relationship. Direct relationship. For example, we take, suppose first question is pointing towards a man, pointing towards a man, pointing towards a man, Archana said, Archana said, he is the son, he is the son of the only son of my grandmother. Now we have to find how is that man related to Archana. How is that man related to Archana? Suppose according to the question, pointing towards a man, Archana said, suppose pointing towards a man, this man is pointing. Pointing towards a man, Archana said, he is the son. He is the son of the only son of my grandmother. The only son of Archana's grandmother is Archana's father. So according to the question, this man's father is the only son of Archana's grandmother. That means these both the persons are same. So the father of this man and the father of Archana are same. So this man is brother of Archana. So for this question, our answer should be brother. These types of questions are based on the direct relationship. Take further examples. Suppose question is, Amit said this girl is the wife of the grandson. This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. Question is, how is Amit related to the girl? This is the question. In this, pointing towards, Amit said, this girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. Amit's mother's grandson is Amit's son, and this girl is the wife of Amit's mother grandson. So according to this diagram, we can say that Amit is the father-in-law of this girl. So for this question, our answer is father-in-law. Now next, take example. Question is, introducing a girl. Vipin said, her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. Question is, how is Vipin related to the girl? How is Vipin related to the girl? Now, according to the question, introducing a girl, Vipin said, her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. Her mother means this girl's mother. Her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. Vipin's wife, the mother of Vipin's wife is Vipin's mother-in-law, and according to the question, mother of this girl is the only daughter of my mother-in-law, means this and this person is the same, means this girl's mother is Vipin's wife. So this girl is the daughter of Vipin. So how is Vipin related to the girl? Means for this question our answer is father. Vipin is the father of this girl. Now take next example. Question is showing the lady in the park. Showing the lady in the park. Vinith said she is the daughter. She is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. How is Vinith related to that lady? How is Vinith related to that lady? Now, according to the question, showing the lady in the park, Vinith said, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. This lady is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. Vinith's grandfather's only son is Vinith's father, and according to the question, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. This means these both persons are same. The father of this lady and the father of Vinith is the same person. So Vinith is the brother of this lady. So for this question, our answer should be brother. Now take next example. Pointing to a man, Amit said, his son is my son's uncle. Pointing to a man, Amit said, his son is my son's uncle. Question is, how is that man related to Amit? How is that man related to Amit? Now, for this question, pointing to a man, Amit said, his son, the son of this person, his son is my son's uncle. Means the diagram should be like this. Pointing to a man, Amit said, his son is my son's uncle. This means Amit and the son of this man are brother. So we can say that the man related to Amit, this relation is father. This man is the father of Amit. So our answer should be father. Now take next example. Pointing to a man, Asha said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. Question is, how Asha is related to man? How Asha is related to man? According to the question, pointing to a man, Asha said, his brother's father, the father of his brother. His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. Asha's grandfather's only son means his brother's father is the only son of Asha's grandfather. That means these persons are same. So the father of this man and the father of Asha is the same person. So Asha is a sister of this man. How Asha is related to man? Asha is the sister of that man. Now take next example. According to the question, if P is the brother of the son of Q's son. If P is the brother of the son of Q's son, then how is P related to Q? If P is the brother of the son of Q's son, that means P is the brother, P is male. P is the brother of the son of the Q's son, of the son of the Q's son. If P is the brother of the son of the Q's son, then how is P related to Q? According to the question, P is the grandson of Q. But now in this question, if question is that how is Q related to P? How is Q related to P? Then our answer should be data inadequate, because the gender of Q is not clear in this question. But here is asking how is P related to Q? It is clear that P is the grandson of Q. Now take next example. Which is based on our type number 2, It is family based. In this type, there are some persons, between them relations are defined. According to the question, suppose T is son of P, S is son of Q, T married to R, R is Q's daughter. Question is, how is S related to T? How is S related to T? Now, according to the question, T is son of P. T is son of P. This is our first string. Second, S is the son of Q. S is the son of Q. Next, T married to R. T married to R. That means R is the wife of T and R is Q's daughter. That means this string can be shifted here. R is Q's daughter. We can write R is Q's daughter here, and here is the line S is the son of Q. This is our final family tree diagram. Now, according to the question, now how is S related to T? S is the brother of the T's wife. So we can say that S is the brother in law of T. S is the brother of the T's wife. Which is denoted relation? S is the brother in law of T. So this question is based on the type number 2, which is family based. Now take further examples for this type. Question is, A is father of B. A is father of B, who is sister of C. A is father of B, who is sister of C. C is husband of P. C is husband of P, and L is mother of C. Now, based on this information, we have to answer 3 questions. First question is how P is related to L. It is our first question. Second question is how B is related to L, and third question is how A is related to L. We have to answer these 3 questions on the basis of the given information. Now we have to prepare the family chart. A is the father of B, means A is the father of B. Who is sister of C? Means this who is belong to the B, because who denotes the second person. B is a sister of C, that means B is a female and she is a sister of C. C is the husband of P, means C is male person, C is husband of P, and L is mother of C. L is the mother of C. So we can say that A is the father of B, L is the mother of C, B is sister of C. So we can say that A and L are married couple, A is husband and L is wife. So now according to this family tree, we have to answer this question, how P is related to L? P is the wife of the son of L. So we can say that P is the daughter-in-law of L. P is the daughter-in-law of L. Then next question, how B is related to L? B is the daughter of L. According to the family tree, we can easily say that B is the daughter of L. Next, how A is related to L? A is the husband of L. So with the help of this family tree, we answers all the questions easily. This type consider in the family based questions, which is our type number 2. Now discuss what is the type number 3 in this topic. Number 3 is type number 3 is based on coded blood relation. In this type, the relations will be defined with the help of different symbols, either plus, minus, divide, subtraction, star, dollar, hash, anything else. But the relation is defined on the basis of the symbols. For example, here coding is given, means A plus B. A plus B means A plus B means A is father of B. A plus B means A is father of B. A minus B means A is wife of B. A multiply B means A is brother of B, and A divide B means A is daughter of B. These are the four notations. A plus B means A is father of B. A minus B means A is wife of B. A multiply B means A is brother of B. A divide B means A is daughter of B. Now according to these coding, we have to given answers of the question. First question is, if P plus R, if P divide R plus S plus Q, then what is the what is the relation between P and Q? Now we have to answer this question on the basis of the given statement, and in given statement the coding is applied. If P divide R should be read like this: A divide B means A is daughter of B, then P divide R means P is daughter of R. P is daughter of R. Next, R plus S. We know A plus B means A is father of B. Then R plus S means R is father of B. R is father of B. Sorry, R is father of S, because relation is R plus S. Now S plus Q. S plus Q means S is father of Q. It is our diagram according to the coding. Now relation, what is the relation between P and Q? We can easily say that according to the diagram, P is aunt of Q. This relation easily determined with the help of this diagram. Now take further example. Coding is same, we change the questions only. Second question based on this coding is, if P minus R plus Q, if P minus R plus Q, then what is the relation between P and Q? What is the relation between P and Q? Now for this statement we can draw the diagram according to the coding. P minus R, we know A minus B means A is wife of B. So we can write that P minus R. P minus R means P is wife of R. P minus R means P is wife of R, and R plus Q means A plus B means A is father of B. Then we can write R plus Q means R is father of Q. It is our diagram. So according to this diagram, we can say that question is asked, what is the relation between P and Q? We can easily say P is mother of Q. This relation can be determined with the help of this diagram. Take one more example. If condition is P cross R minus Q, condition is P cross R minus Q, then what is the relation between P and Q? Now again with the help of the coding we can draw a diagram. P cross R, A cross B means A is brother of B, P cross R means P is brother of R. R minus Q. A minus B means A is wife of B. Then R minus Q means R is wife of Q. It is our diagram. Now relation is asked, what is the relation between P and Q? We can say that P is the brother-in-law of Q, because with the diagram we can say that P is the brother of the Q's wife. So we can say that P is the brother-in-law of Q. So in this type, coding is given and we have to determine the solution on the basis of this coding. It comes in the type coded blood relation. Now take further mixed examples. Question is, A and B are brothers. A and B are brothers. C and D are sisters. C and D are sisters. A's son is D's brother. A's son is D's brother. Question is, how B is related to C? How B is related to C? Now according to the question, A and B are brothers. A and B are brothers. A's son is D's brother. A's son is D's brother, and in the question condition is given C and D are sisters. Now question is, how B is related to C? We know that C is the daughter of A and B is the brother of A, so we can say that B is the uncle of C. So for this question our answer should be uncle. Now take further example. Question is, A is son of B's sister. A is son of B. Next line is, B's sister C has a son D and a daughter E. F is maternal uncle of D. F is maternal uncle of D. According to this, we have to answer two questions. First question, how is A related to D? And second question, how is E related to F? Now according to this condition, we have to draw first family tree. A is son of B means A is son of B. B's sister C has a son D and a daughter E. Next information, F is maternal uncle of D. F is maternal uncle of D means F is maternal uncle of D means F is brother of C. Now we can say that condition here is given, B's sister has a son. First condition, A is son of B, A is son of B. Second, B's sister C has a son D and daughter E, and F is maternal uncle of D. So from this family tree, first question, how is A related to D? How is A related to D? Friends, we easily say that A and D are cousins. So how is A related to D? Answer should be cousin. And second, how is E related to F? According to the question, E is the niece of F, because question is how is E related to F? E is the daughter of C and C is the sister of F. So we can say that E is the niece of F. This question is based on the family based diagram. Now take next example. B is the father of C, but C is not his. B is not son of B. B is the father of C, but C is not son of B. C is the wife of D's son. C is the wife of D's son. C is the wife of D's son. Then how is A related to D? Then how is A related to D? Now, according to the question, we have to draw family diagram. B is the father of C, means B is the father of C, but C is not son of B, means C is the daughter of B. C is the wife of D's son. C is the wife of D's son. C is the wife of D's son. Then how is A related to D? Condition, D is the wife of A's son, and condition, what is the relation of C with B? Here what is the relation? Question is how is C related to B? According to the question, B is the father of C, but C is not son of B, means C is the daughter of B. C is the wife. C is the wife of D's son. C is the wife of D's son. Now question is, then how is C related to B? We can easily say that C is the daughter of B. Now take one more example. Ramesh is father of Mohan. Ramesh is father of Mohan, and Shyam is son of Mohan. What is the relation between Ramesh and Shyam? Ramesh is father of Mohan. Ramesh is father of Mohan, and Shyam is son of Mohan. Shyam is son of Mohan. What is the relation between Ramesh and Shyam? According to the question, Ramesh is father of Mohan and Shyam is son of Mohan. What is the relation between Ramesh and Shyam? We can easily say that the relation between them is grandfather and grandson. According to the question, we can easily say that Ramesh is the father. Ramesh is the father of Mohan. Mohan is father of Shyam. So we can say that Ramesh is the grandfather of Shyam. So this is the topic blood relation, in which three types of questions we discussed. First, direct relation, second, family based tree, and third is the coded blood relation. This topic is very important for the point of view of NTSC. Regularly 1 to 2 questions is asked in the exam. So according to this, we can easily handle this topic. Thank you.